Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about and compare Tailscale and Netbird. When it comes to modern VPN solutions, Tailscale and Netbird are two strong contenders. But which one is right fit for you? Let's find out. Tailscale is a VPN built on WireGuard, offering ease of use and seamless connectivity. It shines with its automatic network configuration, private DNS, and identity-based access using tools like Google or Microsoft accounts. Tailscale is ideal for remote teams, developers, and even personal use, especially if you want a hassle-free setup and secure peer-to-peer connections. Let's talk about Netbird. It is also built on WireGuard, but focuses more on open-source flexibility. It's great for users who want to self-host their VPN and customize it to their own needs. Netbird allows you to create secure private networks while giving you the freedom to manage your infrastructure. So, what's the verdict? If you want a plug-and-play experience with minimal configuration, go for Tailscale. But if you're tech-savvy and love the idea of self-hosting and full control, Netbird might be your winner. So, do let me in the comments below which one do you prefer. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.